Today we are going over body image distortions from the Body Image Workbook by Dr. Cash. And I want to go over body distortion, a thought part 2. So there's going to be 8 parts to this series. So this is 2 of 8. And I have another part 1. So if you want to watch in continuum, you can. But this distortion, he calls it beauty or beast. And what that means is it's this all or nothing thinking that exists in this fantasy land. So reality is actually a continuum, meaning it's very gray. There's not an all or nothing. And so when you have this body image distortion, you either beauty or beast is what he calls it, is either I'm not okay or I'm ugly. I'm just okay or I'm horrible. And so sometimes when you struggle with, like you can't keep weight on and you lose maybe a pound or 2, you're a skeleton. Or if you're just feeling a little off today, oh, I just look horrible. It's this extreme thinking that you typically have in your inner thinking. It's maybe not said out loud, but maybe you do say out loud is, I'm just having an off day and I look horrific. And it can feel somatically, it feels horrific. But the reality is your hair looks bad today. It doesn't mean your entire appearance is horrific. And so sometimes when we have these all or nothing thinking type patterns, it's helpful to be specific. Well, what feels horrific? My hair or my legs or my stomach, or just something that you're experiencing makes it a bit more tangible, measurable, and then you're able to tolerate it a bit more than this extreme overall thinking. So ask yourself, do I have this beauty or beast? Is it all or nothing? And how is that affecting my day? How is that affecting connection with myself, with others, with my work, with my showing up in the world? And maybe I can look at things in a little bit more grayscale versus black or white. I hope that helps.